In this video, I will show you how to recover your Monopoly Go account, so let's jump straight into it. So before we begin, I just want to make it clear that if you have been using a guest account, unfortunately you're not going to be able to recover it. This is only going to work if you have got a account connected. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do is load up Monopoly Go and click onto the menu in the top right hand corner. Next, what you want to do is come down and press onto settings, and then from here you want to press onto the customer service button. So what's going to happen, it's going to take you across to a page like this. Now what you want to do from here, you can press onto any of these articles, it doesn't really matter, but I'm just going to press onto the top one, how can I contact customer support? And then from here, what you're going to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of this article, and you're going to see a button which says chat with us. So what you want to do is press onto the chat with us button, and what it's going to do is actually load up a live chat with an agent. So what you can now do is go ahead and explain that basically you've lost your account or you would like to recover your account. You would do that through here, and what would happen is they would guide you through the steps to recover your account. So that's how to go ahead and recover your account in Monopoly Go. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.